don't be afraid to try new things, because that's how we grow as artists, as people, as anything. So try new things. It's fun. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a Firefly pendant inspired from The Last of Us. I used to make the Firefly pendants a lot when the game first came out, and I haven't made any in a while. So I'm excited to see how my style has changed within the last 4 years. And I will have a side-by-side at the end showing my original and my new one, and it's actually pretty cool. So I was actually planning on wearing this mask, but I don't see any spores coming around, so I think we'll be safe. So let's go clay. I'm starting off with a printed out Firefly emblem. I'm just taking my little scissors and I'm just very carefully cutting, making sure not to cut anything off. And I did. But that's why there's two sides, so I just go ahead and cut off the other side, making sure to get into all the little grooves. And now that I have it all cut out, I am happy with it. So I'm gonna move on to the clay. I'm gonna take some rolled out black clay and cut it into a circle, not too thick, just enough so it can easily hold its shape. And I'm going to smooth it out, but I wanna keep those sides really sharp. And now I am rolling out some more black clay, and I am using the paper that I cut out to cut along the shape of the Firefly emblem. And I am doing all sides, just flipping the paper over so I have the full emblem. And now I'm taking some scrap clay and I rolled it flat, cut it into a circle, and I am placing the emblem in place, and this will be a stamp. And so now it's time to bake. And now that it is all baked, I'm just gonna put it to the side, and I'm going to start really working on the back of this piece. So I am taking a toothbrush and I am just very lightly scraping the back of the piece to kind of give it this metal look. And I am going to write my name on the back. I am putting T Nights, but I didn't do it right, so I just erased it, and I am rewriting it so I can fit everything. And I have everything in place, and I'm just gonna go over, retexture it, and cut out a couple pieces because these emblems, or pendants, are really worn and dirty, and I wanted it to look like it's really been through the ringer. And now I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to texture the front side. And I'm also gonna poke a hole because that is where the jump ring is gonna come into place. So now I'm gonna take my stamp and just press it in, and there we go. A perfect Firefly emblem. Yes! So I'm just gonna texture up a little bit, cut a couple pieces out just to give it a little bit more dimension and make it look a little bit nicer. I'm gonna flip over the side because it did get a little bit squished, and I'm just gonna kind of go over everything again and retexture. Now, time to bake. All right, now that it is out of the oven and looking great, we are going to dry brush in silver. And dry brushing is just taking some paint and then wiping the majority of it off onto a paper towel and going over it again. And so I felt like it needed some more punch, so I'm taking some gray and dry brushing again, but kind of wiping off the excess because some of it was seeming a little bit too much. And I like how it looks much better. And for the emblem part of it itself, I'm just taking some black silver mix and just painting in the grooves that we made with the stamp and filling in a little bit of the extra little cuts. And I really like how it looks. It looks almost like metal in my opinion. And I'm just gonna glaze with a velvet finish glaze. I'm glazing both sides. And I did decide to go over the indented part again with some black clay to give it a punch. I'm just taking my jump ring, moving side to side, not pulling out, putting the necklace on and putting the chain, and voila, it is done. It looks so cool. And here's the one that I made 5 years ago. As you can see, the oh, yeah. Hi, I'm Rachel. I drop things. The techniques used are totally different. I made it a little bit thinner as well. And yeah. And I'm super happy with how it came out. That's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had a blast trying out new techniques and remaking something that I haven't made in a while that I thought I would kind of be stuck in a rut of like, nope, this is how I did it. This is how it works. And I'm happy I decided to try something different because I absolutely love how it came out. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and push that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. And go ahead and comment down below what game that is scheduled to be released in 2020 that you were the most excited about. I'm excited for Animal Crossing. And with that said, I think that is all I have for today. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.